The most effective content marketing strategies involve sharing a combination of branded, created content, as well as content gathered from a wide variety of third-party sources. Gathering content takes time, though, since it requires constantly keeping an eye on blogs, news sites, and active Reddit groups. Hootsuite Syndicator Pro boosts the efficiency of curating and resharing content by transforming your existing RSS feeds into manageable streams of actionable information. To get started, install the app through the Hootsuite app directory. After installation, a Syndicator Pro stream will be automatically added to your dashboard. Streams can be configured to monitor any number of RSS feeds. To start, you may want to keep it simple and just add a company blog and a couple feeds from key partners or industry leaders. To do this, click the Subscribe to Feeds button, which will open the Feeds Manager. Under Add RSS Feed, add the URL of the source you wish to follow. Click the play symbol on feeds you want to start listening to, and click it again to stop the feed. Now press Done, and your stream will populate with your chosen feeds. You can create additional streams by selecting Apps, then Syndicator Pro. Hovering over a post shows a list of actions that can be performed, such as opening in a new tab, favoriting, marking as read, adding to a read later list, or assigning the post to a team or team member. When you're ready to share content, click the Share arrow to compose it into a message. Now let's set up a second stream that uses Syndicator Pro's filtering tools to find relevant content from the web's most popular feeds. To do this, click the magnifying glass, then the Power Feed tab. Add keywords to filter, then select Popular Feed from the dropdown. This will search the most popular RSS feeds being followed by Syndicator users. Alternately, choose Selected Feeds to search just the feeds you've added yourself. Give your Power Feed a name, then Save to populate your feed. If your search is broad, you may get a lot of results. View results more easily by clicking the gear icon and opting not to display the images in stream. If you come across relevant content from a feed you're not following, you can add that news site or blog to your personal list by clicking the RSS symbol. Let's now add a third stream to explore how to track a large number of RSS feeds by grouping them with labels. Grouping RSS feeds makes it easy to quickly select a set of feeds on a specific topic or vertical. First, create a group for a new vertical by clicking the file icon and then Add to New Group. Exit the Feed Manager, then click the magnifying glass and open the Streams dropdown. Under this dropdown list, you can filter assigned items, favorited items, or saved Power Feeds. To filter by group, choose Selected Feeds, then click the RSS symbol. Now select the group or groups you wish to turn on. Finally, click to populate the feed. If you're enjoying Syndicator Pro, you may want to check out StreamView Pro, which provides similar listening and content curation tools for Instagram, Facebook business pages, Twitter, and YouTube. Hootsuite also integrates with a number of other content curation apps. UpContent pulls relevant trending content from across the web into your content library to help marketers and bloggers drive conversations with their audiences. TrendSpotter Pro helps social marketers identify the top trending hashtags, content, and influencers across regions, topics, and languages. RightForge helps optimize content with hashtags and images. And Promo Republic provides users with a repository of templates and images to create visually stunning posts quickly. When used in combination, these apps make content curation quick, effective, and painless, from discovery to post.